A grinding noise when agitating is a common issue with washers, and there are several possible reasons for this problem. The main causes include issues with the drive motors, a dirty or cracked pump, and faulty shock absorbers. To address these issues, it's essential to inspect the washer's drive motors, checking for any obstacles stuck between the spinning parts and ensuring the wire connections are secure and the capacitor is in good condition. If the motor is malfunctioning, it may need to be replaced. The pump should also be inspected by disconnecting it from the washer and checking if the noise persists. If the noise stops, the pump is likely the issue. Any dirt on the impeller can be cleaned using vinegar and a cloth. But if the pump is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Additionally, the washer's shock absorbers should be checked, located at the front or rear of the appliance, and replaced if they are worn out, loose, or leaking. By following these steps, it's possible to identify and resolve the issue, eliminating the grinding noise when the washer is agitating.